You are welcome to Iyobosa Scientific Research YouTube channel. Today, I will be teaching you how to plot this graph. It is called line and symbol graph. It can be used to illustrate some of your research data you derive from your research findings. So it is plot using Origin Lab. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, let's dive into it and see how we can plot this graph. Yeah, this is the data we this is the data I use to plot the graph. This data is part of our research work. It is not mine, it belongs to the university where I'm doing my research. So this data measure the growth of microbes in bioreactor. So as you can see, we have different bioreactor here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Each bioreactor contains different concentrations of contaminants that was added to the bioreactor in microgram. These are the contaminants. So the reason of adding the contaminants is to know the effects of the contaminants on the growth of the microbes in the bioreactor. So these parts are the standard deviation from the measurements because you will be measuring in triplicates. So when you do that, you have to take the standard deviation of your measurements. So this standard deviation will be used as the error bar in your work, and you must state it in your publication that the error bar is the standard deviations of the triplicate measurements. So let's go and see how we can plot that line and column graph. So what you do is you copy the data just like this, and copy it like this, take it to um origin. When you get to origin, you can open plain sheets like this, then you paste your data in the origin. Sorry, let me paste it here. You paste your data in the origin. Let's remove this. You can remove this by deleting uh, that that line. Once you paste it like this, you come back again to copy the parameters here. Yeah, you copy it and you take it to origin, paste it in origin, you paste. So as you paste, as I said earlier, this column, it is for standard deviation which will be used as error bar. So you have to set it as error bar. If not, you cannot plot. So how do you do that? You click on it. Then you can do it directly. If you have shortcuts, you click on this. This is Y error. You click on Y error. Yeah. You also come to this. If you don't have shortcuts, you right click. Then you come to set as Y error here. So that is how you do it. You also do this like this. You right click, set as Y error. Same you are going to do to this, because this is standard deviation of this. Why this is standard deviation of this? So same thing applicable to everything. So you have to also make this set as Y error. So this is how you do all the standard deviation. So you put all the standard deviation, put it on Y error. So the next thing you do, you are going to plot now. You highlight everything, then you come to plots. So this is line and symbol. You are going to use line and symbol to plot it. You click on it, line and symbol. It's going to plot it for you. Now you have this graph. It has plotted for you. Let's bring this here to make our work visible. So you put it there. Once you have this graph like this, you can start your beautification of the graph. Let's cover the graph first before we start to continue with the beautification. So how are we going to do that? You click on this frame, double click on the frame. It will open it will bring out this box. I'm sorry, my computer is a bit slow. I think I put many things. I'll need to close some. So you come to this place. As you get to this place, you come to line and ticks. Click on it. Yes. Now for us to put the top frame top, you click on the top. You're saying there is no line at the top. There's no frame. That is why you don't have anything written in this space. For you to put line, you tick on this show line and tick. Just click on it. It will bring everything out. So this is the major line and the minor major tick and the minor tick. Here is the major tick. This why this is the minor tick. We don't need it there. We have to remove it. You click on in, then none. Click on in again, none. You apply. Yes. When you apply like this, it's going to enter. Yes, we have put it. It's saying there's no tick line. There's no ticks lines on it. So what are you going to do again? We are going to cover this part, this right part. So you come to the right, you click on the right. Once you click on the right, then you click on show lines. Then we don't also need those lines. You remove it. We don't need it. Then you apply. Once you apply, it's going to show there. Look at it as shown. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to remove this minor tick that is here. So you come to the left frame. You're saying you come to major tick. Take it inside. I don't take it inside. I don't like it when it is outside. Take it inside. Then the minor tick, just click on no, we don't need it. So you apply. Once you apply, it's gonna remove the minor and take the major in. The bottom, we don't need any tick. So you come to the bottom line. You said major, we don't need it. Minor, we don't need it. So you apply. So we have succeeded in removing it. So the next thing you're going to do, let us adjust the size of this label, this numbering based on the data. So we are going to remove it. How will you do that? You come to scale. Come to scale. Oh, sorry, come to show. Sorry, it's scale. Okay, let's work on this scale first because you're seeing the data is starting from -2. We don't need it. Let us say start from day 0 because there's no day -2. Let's say day 0. So you put day 0 there, then you apply to remove this -2. So you apply. Yeah, it will start from day 0. So once you get that, then you come to adjust this numbering or label. You come to tick and label. Then you come to format. Click on the format. So you have this. The button, this is the button, which is this one. You have to, I use 16. You put it on 16. You bold. you bold it. Okay, but you can change the font type, but I prefer using Arial as my font type. You can use any font type you want. So I put Arial and I put this, I adjust the font size and bold it. Then I click on apply. It's going to adjust this one, saying it has bolded. So we come to the left side. You go to the left, which is here. Then you also do the same because they need to be uniform. So it is area. You come to the size. It is 16 number. So you have to come to bold. You bold it, then you apply. Once you apply, you have it this way. So you click OK. Now we have succeeded in putting the frame and adjusting the label. So we are going to beautify this now. How do you do that? You click on the line. Click on the line twice. You double click, sorry. Once you double click on the line, now you can work on it. So you come on this line. You see the line? So you can adjust the width of the line. The width of the line, you can adjust it by clicking on this place. Let's say 1.5, you apply. So you see it has increased the line. If you wish, you can put it on 2, you apply. It has increased the line size to be visible. So what are you going to do next? You can also work on the symbol if you want. How do you do that? You come to this symbol. You click on symbol. So when you click on symbol, you can choose beautiful symbol formats you want. Like me, I do like this. I like this, but it will make everything uniform. Although the color can differentiate each barrier. It's okay. Let's apply this. You apply this. When you apply this, then you click on apply. You look at it. So you can also increase the size of the symbol by increasing it. Me, I do use 12. Yeah, you apply. Okay. So you have the symbol size increased with the line. Then you click OK. You have this like this. Now you're going to come to the the error bar. Click on the error bar. You can adjust it here, the size of the error bar. I use this the color of the error bar. You don't alter the color. You can adjust the size. Yeah, you can adjust the size of the error bar. I used. How did you do that? How will you do this? Increase the size. You click on it here. Then you come to this place. Put it on 1.5. I use 1.5 always. So we have succeeded in increasing the error bar size. So you have it this way. For the error bar to pronounce, you can decide to reduce the size of the symbol if you wish. To let us try to decrease the size of the symbol a bit. Let's put it on 10. You come to this place, put it on 10. Just write 10 here. Then you click apply. So you have this way, and here is the graph. Isn't it beautiful? So you come to this place. You can also adjust this. You click on the size. I use 14 always. Then you can bold it if you wish. How did you do that? You highlight it, then you bold it. So you have your legend like this. Now the next thing you are going to do, you are going to label this place. This place is, as you see, as I said earlier, is biomass. Let's say biomass growth. Biomass growth. And the unit, as you see, it was gram per liter. gram per liter. So you highlight everything, you bold. Okay, yeah, you highlight everything. I think the biomass is, you can also call it growth. Yeah, so you have it like this. Now you come to this place, you can also highlight this place, then you bold it. I use 18. So let us just leave it like this, but I use 18 for both. So you have succeeded. And if you want to put the unit of the pollutant you added into the bioreactor, you can you can put the unit there by clicking on tests. Then you come to this place, you click on that place, then you put microgram. As I said earlier, it is microgram per liter. So you have it this way. So you have succeeded in plotting this line and symbol graph. Then you can export it if you wish to export it. You click on file, then you come down to export graph, then click on dialog, open dialog. You open this dialog box, it's going to give you something of this nature. So you can select, are you going to save in ping, are you going to save in JPEG or in TIFF? Let's say TIFF file. Then you have something like this. You have to name, you give the name of your graph, then you choose the location. You click here to choose the location where you want to save your graph. You can use this to do the resolution. The resolution for publication is 300 and above DPI, so it must be between 300 and 400. So you have this. So you save. You say okay, save. Is it will export your graph to the location you want. So in shortcuts, you can right click, then you come to copy, then you say you click on a copy as image. When you copy as image like this, then you can select if it's going to be PNG or JPEG or HTML, anyone you which. Let's use JPEG, then you copy. Once you copy like this, it's already in your clipboard. Then you come down to your PowerPoint. You can you can you can you can paste it. Let me say duplicate, then remove it, then you put your new one that you uploaded. Yes, so you will have this something of this nature. You have something of this nature. The one we even plot is more beautiful than this one we have here. So you have this, so you can see this is what we have plotted. So this is how you present your data using a symbol in line. Thank you very much. Please follow me for more uh, scientific research uh, figure like this. As you follow me, try to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like. Also, if you have any question or if you have anything to say, you can put it on comment section. Thank you. My name is Rime Ehenede Iyobosa. Thank you very much. Goodbye.